so that people who have missed, they can also check it out. So what did I do? I've take it from here. Like this, I've done it. So this rectangle slab should come on top of this. So select the entire thing, go to rotate command. I don't want the copy option to be on. So here, taking this as a center, this as the radius, I have to rotate it straight. Okay, when I do so, this portion when I place, this will match over here like this. Okay, suppose let us think that I have rotated it in the opposite way. In the opposite way means how? Rotate command, taking this as a center and this as a radius, I have rotated in this way. Does this make any sense? How do you where it is going to sit? Neither here nor here. Okay, so from this you need to understand in which direction you have to rotate. So this happens only when you practice the problems properly. So select the entire thing, go to rotate command, taking this as center, this as a radius, rotate it in one direction, and take your profile and try to place and check. Yes, this is matching. Correct? So now what you can do, go to move command, switch on the copy option, midpoint, take it. This midpoint should fall one in this place, the other in another place like this. Okay, two places you have to place. Delete all these lines, vertical lines, these base lines you delete it. Right? Then go to line command, draw one line from top tip to top tip of the triangle, and over here from bottom to bottom tip of the triangle, and delete all unwanted lines. This is deleted, this to be deleted. Using trim command, trim this portion. This completes your last problem of your system. Select it, reduce the scale to 0.816, enter. Okay, so yeah, this is how you are supposed to do it in the system. So any doubts in doing it in the system? I'll tell you how to do this problem in the sheet later. But tell me first, do you have any doubts in system one?
No, sir.
No, sir? Okay.
No, sir.
How to do it in the sheet? Just observe. So right, I'll not write down the question. I'll directly go with the problem. 70 mm sides, 25 mm thick, square slab. So here, I'll take it a little bit up. 70, 70, 70, 70, 25 mm thick. I've drawn it roughly. Right? So here, triangle. Triangle, I'll draw it in the side. Triangle of 30 mm sides. Put this in the box. I got to know this width is 30 and this height is 26. Height is 26. Correct? What has happened? Okay. So this height is 26 and this width is 30. This is how I've got a triangle, and I've put this triangle in a four-cornered box. Okay, this height is 26. Now, how to solve this problem? I said this midpoint should come and fall on this midpoint, correct? So what is total width? It is 30. So from center, how much will be the other side, left and right? It will be 15. So from here, mark 1.5 box, one gap, mark 1.5 box, one more gap. Same way in this side also. 1.5 on the left, 1.5 on the right. Okay. What is the height? 26. From here, draw vertical line. This line height should be 2.6 box gap. So I mean to say 1, 2, 2.5 plus 1, 2.6. Like this, 2.6 box gap, you have to do it and draw one horizontal line like this. Okay. After that, on 30 mm line, you have 2 points of triangle, and opposite 30 mm exactly in the center, you have 1 point. So here, point number 1, point number 2, in the opposite line exactly in the center, 1 point. Same way, point number 1, point number 2, opposite 30 exactly in the center. Draw it here like this. here like this. So once you are done with this, connect top corner, bottom corner. It is all unwanted lights. Very simple, very simple problem this is. If you get this problem in the exam, you are most luckiest, because in 2 minutes you can finish off this problem. Only thing is the concept, or you should have practiced this problems in regular class. That's all. This is what you are supposed to do, and this is what your isometric chapter is all about. So any doubts how to do it in the sheet?
No, sir.
You have doubt? Any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.